If you want the Fuji X100V or X100 series, but you don't have a budget, I think this camera can work on that style. So guys, why every Gen Z's keep looking now for a digicam camera? So before we're gonna dive to this camera, which is can replace the Fuji X100V, why is every Gen Z's keep looking for that X100? No, digicam camera. So nowadays, I saw a lot of customer that keep looking for digicam cameras or point and shoot camera. The answer for that, guys, is the aesthetic look of the photos. So it's like a film look photos. Because nowadays also, if you buy one roll of films, it's around 5 to 6 KD. So it depends on the brand, and that's why the Gen Zs is keep looking for alternative cameras that can have aesthetic looks like a film style, and also they like the pop with the pop-up flash. So that's guys, that's why they are looking for a digicam like this, and also they like the Fuji X100 because of the retro look and also the film simulation, which is already in the camera. So the alternative camera that can produce a film look style is a digicams, especially if you have a pop-up flash and and with a lower megapixel like 8 megapixel or 10 megapixel 10 megapixel down. This is because of the sensor is CCD. So the CCD sensor is it's a it's like a film look, and yeah, it's totally different than the CMOS sensor. So that's why the Gen Zs is keep looking for a digital cameras or digicams, what they call digicam in 2024. So if you don't have a budget to buy the Fujifilm X100 V series, then this is the best alternative cameras, the digicams. And again, guys, on this vlog, I have here the Panasonic DMC LX1. It's an 8.4 megapixel camera with CCD sensor. So let's try to take a photos and also with a pop-up flash.
Nahihirapan din sa kalusot.
Wow, maot pa eh. Wala pa din tayo sa taon, pero papakasan ako sa'yo. One more. You want? You want? So guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. I show you the sample photos that we took to our colleague with this camera, the Digicams, which is the Panasonic Lumix DMC LX1. So it's a very unique camera. Again, it's a Digicam, so it's fun to use, and yeah, it's a cool with a retro. So it's again one of the reason why this is more better than Fuji X100V is the price. Yes, the price, guys, is way more cheaper compared for this is around before I bought it is under 100 US dollar, but now also the price of this kind of camera is skyrocketing. Like you can find from 200 up to 300 US dollar in the market. So again, I think this is a 2005, if I'm not wrong. It's around 2000 to 2005 model. So, yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to have a film look fun and photos, then there is a in Fujifilm camera. You can find also in XT30 same film simulation XT50. Whatever film simulation in the X100V is also the same with the Fuji lineup. All the film simulation. The only difference between X100V, it's a compact and fixed lens. Yes, and the film simulation is almost the same from a newer camera. Actually, it's not almost the same. It's the same with the almost all the all. It's the same with the some cameras of Fuji like X-T5, X-T50, X-T30, whatever film simulation that you have in Fuji X100V, you can find in some model camera of Fujifilm. But again, if you don't have any budget for all the Fujifilm, you can get digicams for 50 to 100 US dollar and play with the camera and yeah. So, yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to find to check the price and availability of the full Fujifilm product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. All the Fujifilm cameras already in the market. Even the Sony. The Sony said VE1 Mark II is already with the creative look. So you can check the Sony said VE1 Mark II with the creative look. It's like a film style also with the black and white sepia and everything. So, yeah, guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.